Hey guys, in this video we're going to be fixing a broken leg for the Aiper Smart pool vacuum. Welcome to Home Squad Reviews, where we create how-to videos on home related topics as well as products. If you like content like this, then feel free to smash that subscribe button. Let's get into it. So we have our drill bit, the screw that we're going to be using, needle nose pliers, Gorilla Glue, and the broken wheel. We're going to be starting with the smallest drill bit first, and then we'll move to the larger one. We're going to disassemble the wheel assembly by squeezing the top and then pushing it through while it is squeezed. Squeeze the top, push through, like so. Then the next step is to actually drill a hole through the frame, through the center of the frame. Alright, let's do that now. And we just want a hole. Now we're going to do the same to the broken piece. You want to be careful here, you don't want it to break, or you don't want it to be drilled at an angle. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna use the larger drill bit. Alright, so we're gonna widen the hole. Perfect. And we're going to do the same to the broken piece. Not sure if you realize what's happening here. The idea is that we're going to be using the screw, and we're going to use a screw to hold broken piece to the frame. We're going to screw it in from the bottom of the frame. And then once we're done with this, we're going to attach the broken off piece to the screw. You just want it to connect to the broken off piece in such a way that it holds it firmly. I'm gonna screw it in a little bit more and then tighten everything up. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to put the Phillips screwdriver into the screw, and then I'm going to spin top to tighten. And I'm going to tighten it until the broken off piece is touching the base. like so. Now I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue to seal the broken off piece to the frame, and then I'm going to apply some Gorilla Glue to the bottom of the frame as well. That might be a little bit much, but I can remove some after it has dried or during the drying process. Alright, so I'm doing the same for the bottom as well. It takes 2 hours to dry, so I'm just going to put this down for 2 hours. Okay, it's now dried. Look a little rough, but I'm good with it. I had to dig off some of the glue. But this is perfect. Now I'm going to reassemble everything. So I just want to ensure that I can see through the hole, and then I'm going to push the pin through until I hear a clicking sound. Like so. And now this is assembled and ready to be attached to the vacuum. So let's attach it to the vacuum. Alright, that's where it's supposed to go. We have to align all of the slots properly. It's going to be a little hard doing it behind the camera. Okay, let me try again. Awesome, and that's it. Well guys, leave a comment if this was helpful. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.